Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to remove the background from our video. We'll need the video background remover extension for this. We find our extension and add it to the front end. Once the extension is added, we pin it in the list of extensions. We open and upload the video from which we want to remove the background. Once the video has loaded, we can go to the preview page. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes to process the video. Well, our video is processed. Let's first take a look at the original. And now, for the result of the extension's work. That's it. In just a few clicks, you can remove the background from your video. All the necessary links will be in the description.